My name is Mayla Laker, and today I would like to talk about cancer. The World Health Organization projects that by 2035, the world could see 24 million new cancer cases and 14 million cancer-related deaths a year. Very recently, I had the opportunity to participate in a research project related to AML, which stands for Acute Myeloid Leukemia. AML is the most common type of blood cancer, affecting thousands of people of all ages. So, what is AML? As stated earlier, AML is a type of blood cancer. Blood cancers affect the production and function of blood cells. Now, to understand what causes AML, we need to learn a little bit about blood cells in our body. Let's start with the stem cells of blood, hematopoietic stem cells. Hematopoietic stem cells differentiate into two different stages, the first resulting in myeloid cell and a lymphoid cell, and the second resulting in a blood cell, platelets, and white blood cells. Now we can get into what causes AML. AML starts with a mutation in the DNA sequence of stem cells. A gene mutation is an abnormal change in the sequence of DNA. This mutation causes the stem cell to overproduce myeloid cells. As seen in this picture, normal blood has a small amount of myeloid cells compared to red blood cells, while in AML blood there's a lot more myeloid cells compared to red blood cells. This gene mutation prevents myeloid cells from developing into red blood cells, white blood cells, and platelets. Due to this, the body is prone to disease. Since myeloid cells are overproduced and can't transform into healthy blood cells, they use up space and steal nutrients away from healthy blood cells. So, how do we stop AML from progressing and getting worse? Little has changed in terms of treatment in almost 40 years. Recent breakthroughs in gene therapies may be the step towards a possible cure to this terrible illness. In my research project on AML, I focused on finding inhibitors that could potentially block the expression of genes involved in AML. To explain, certain genes in the DNA sequence could mutate and accelerate the progress of AML. Inhibitors are molecules used to block genes from working or being expressed. By blocking their expression, it's possible to slow down the progression of AML. I analyzed a lot of genomic data available in public databases. Through this, I found two genes that have a potential to slow down the advancement of AML. AML is the most common type of blood cancer, affecting thousands of people worldwide. With my work, I hope to make a difference in advancing treatment research to save lives. I hope you're inspired to join me and many others on the path to finding a cure. Together we can improve the lives of thousands of people. Thank you for your time and watching my video.